We've always wanted to have a garden to eat fresh vegetables without chemicals. But we don't always have the time or space for it, and the weather doesn't always help. Instead of giving up, we started working on a smart hydroponics system using the latest technology to grow fresh vegetables so that we no longer had to purchase them so frequently from the supermarket. And now we want to share it with the world. Designed to fit in all homes and watch the growth of your harvest from any angle, turn on warm mode to create a warm and cozy atmosphere during dinner. Full automation system for the care of plants. Control your hydro through our app and share your pictures with the Plus model. Double the size of the crop based on your needs and customize it with our hydro packs. Since hydro is made using only hardwoods, we will contribute to reforestation efforts through EcoSia.